For our first project, we are going to be taking this set of 5 boxed candle holders and we're going to be upcycling it. You see me sanding off the letters. I actually did try to paint it without having to do this step, but after 2 coats I could still see the lettering come through, so I went back in and just sanded all of them, including the one I had already painted. Now I'm going to give each of those little boxes 2 coats of Lamp White by Fusion All-in-One mineral paint. Now I'm going to take these transfers. This is the Redesigned by Prima French Market Peonies transfer, and what I'm going to do is cut up the transfer to have it fit, but I want it to piece together nicely, so if you were going to design these in your home in different ways, it would still look good individually or together, all in a set, or scattered and leveled in your home. Okay, so I didn't have enough of that transfer to fit on all sides of all 5 of the boxes, so I'm taking Kindest Regards stamp by IOD, and we're going to stamp up with a darker gray color. I believe it's Watering Can by Archival Ink, and we're going to stamp the other spots and then take some of the extra scraps of that one transfer that I used, the French Market Peonies, and we're going to cover up parts of some of the lettering that I have on those stamps. You see me here doing some heat setting with that ink, and to make sure that it doesn't run, because the all-in-one paint does have that sealer built in. Sometimes I do feel like it bleeds a little bit or it runs, so I like to immediately heat set it so that doesn't happen. And here is a look at our finished project. Let me know what you think in the comments below. For our second project, we are going to take this barrel basket and turn it into something beautiful. The first step is to give it 2 good coats of Casement by Fusion. Step is to paint the details with Paisley by Fusion. Now we're going to come in with Fusion's Conservatory to get the inside of this basket painted. Now we're going to use this IOD transfer, and we're going to cut it into pieces so that we can fit it on the white parts all around the basket. seal it up with some Big Top by DIY.